read the Tao of Pooh. It's a great book. I highly recommend it. But if you know anything about the Tao Te Ching, I'm not even sure if I'm saying it right, Tao Te Ching, it's one of those words that I've read but I've never heard, so I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it. But it's the art of doing nothing. And that was hard for me to swallow. How do you do nothing? Because then nothing gets done. And then my mind will swirl into all kinds of anxiety because I'm not doing what I need to be doing. But then I read another book about it, and it's not doing nothing. It's doing something, but not pushing anything. And the metaphor that I read was gardening. You can plant a seed and you can water that seed, but you cannot force it to grow. It will grow on its own terms. And that's when I was like, oh, I get it. I get it. I can put things in place. I can do my very best to make them happen, but I can't force anything. And I wish I'd have learned that a long time ago. I wish I'd have learned that 10 years ago, because I forced a lot of things that just weren't going to work. And during that, I also learned, when I was forcing things and they weren't working, that there is a beauty in obstacles. There's a beauty in barriers, because there are a lot of things that if I had have gotten my way, if I had have forced those things to happen, my life would be different now. And I like how my life is now. And when I feel disappointed about something I can't force to happen, I think about George Washington, my historical hero. He's got his problems, but George Washington had a dream, and his dream, the thing he wanted more than anything, was to be a high commanding officer in the British Army. But he had obstacle after obstacle after obstacle, and he never got his way. What he did was he was learning, he was training, he was planting seeds. And those seeds grew the way they were supposed to grow, and he became the first president of the United States. I have no illusions that I'm going to be the president or the prime minister here in Canada, but I am so thankful for all the things I tried to force that didn't happen, because I would not be where I am now. I am so thankful for the dreams that didn't come true, because they would have turned into obstacles for where I am now. And I understand now what it means to do nothing. It doesn't mean to sit there and watch TV all day. That's doing something. It means do what you can. Cultivate what you can. Don't give up on the things that you feel you need to do. And then you wait and you watch. And if you put the right conditions in place, that seed will sprout and it will grow.